Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a foot soak, the best foot soak that I know of, that is a jelly soak. At the same time, I'll be doing kind of a pedicure because I'll be scrubbing my legs because I wanna fix the fact that my legs are getting dead skin and almost cracking, and that is what I wanna fix. So in general, it's a foot care. So warm water, so that is hot water. Of course, I will be adding some more cold water to make it warm. Then I have my jelly with me, that is the jelly, then the salt packet of the jelly. That is how it looks like. It's kind of a powder, but when you put it in the water, it turns into jelly. The water have to be warm. Yeah, so then after that I'm going to soak my legs because I want to relax my legs and all that. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this foot care, foot soak, at the same time taking care of my hair kind of a video. That is what I'm doing today. So make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed. So after soaking for like 10-15 minutes, I'm going to scrub the leg. I'm using the pedicure file to scrub just to get rid of dead skin. Remember, dead skin, when they accumulate for long, it becomes cracked heel or crowses. So make sure that you're taking care of your leg and all that. Okay, yeah, so stay with me. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this video. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate for that. For those who haven't yet subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. So I'll be doing this to both my leg. So just scrubbing and ensuring that I get rid of all the dead skin. Using the jellies, I don't know, I just think that they might help in the softening of the legs and all that. Foot soak by day ensures that your legs softens and the dead skin are very easy to remove. Then after that, I'll be rinsing off. I'll use another warm water because I just want to relax, and yeah, then I'll be using a DIY scrub just to scrub the legs and the upper part of the foot. That is what I'll be doing. So scrub to get rid of dead skin on the upper part of the foot, and yeah, and ensuring that I also get rid of dead skin on the lower side of the foot if they didn't come out during the scrubbing using the pedicure file. Okay, yeah, so after this, I'm assured of very smooth and good looking feet. Like I'll show you, of course I'll do. Yeah, so check my YouTube channel for other videos on how to take care of your feet, how to get rid of dead skin, how to get rid of cracked heel and all that. So enjoy guys as I do these. Just like we take care of our face, it's good to take care of our feet. They also need to be scrubbed to get rid of dead skin and all that. So let me know in the comment section, what do you use to scrub your legs? What do you use to get rid of dead skin and just to treat the cracked heel, if in case you have any? Would you try this method that I'm using? If not, let me know which is your method. Maybe I could try and it could be of help. Then at that moment, I realized that I had some to dead skin, and therefore I decided to use my stone just to get rid of them because I didn't want to use the pedicure file as on the top of my nails, on all the upper part of the nails, of the toes, I don't know. Yeah, so, and I touched the other part of the leg, that is the heel, and I was happy with the result. Like, then after that I had to clean the nails. I'm using a stick, that is a toothpick, to remove the dirt around the nails and ensuring that my polish is looking good, like it's new. That's what I want, and I'm working for it. So just remove the dirt where there is dirt. So like I normally say, just do your cleaning until you're satisfied. That is why it is a DIY. That is why you are providing the service to yourself. Yeah, so I would advise, like, clean until you're satisfied, like I'm doing. Just cleaning everywhere that I see there is something that I need to remove. Then after that, I'll be using clean water to rinse it off. Like you can see, my legs are already looking good. They are clean. Yeah, and after that I'll be drying off in between my nails, ensuring there is no water or moisture. Then after that I'm going to moisturize my legs. Yeah, I'm using jelly. So just apply while I'm massaging slowly but sure. I'm loving it. I'm loving the results already, and this is the final result. Like you can see, look at my heel. It's looking so good. It's moisturized. It doesn't have dead skin, and I really love that for me. Yeah, so guys, make sure that you subscribe, and thank you for being here. Like, share, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these kind of pedicures. So bye bye, and see you again. And before that, I had to apply some lanolin just to ensure that I oil my cuticles. Bye bye, see you in my next video.